Hello guys, welcome to today's market analysis. Today was really great, right? What I wanted to happen yesterday happened today, right? Yesterday I was telling you about how I entered a trade in this particular candle, hoping we will see the breakout and we'll go a lot because that particular line, a lot of uh, call sell people are selling, a lot of short. I mean, people have shorted the market be sitting there because that is a 6 month very important trend line. They'd have been shorting it and all of that because we saw multiple rejections in that particular thing, right? So any person, I mean, many people follow discretionary trading systems, right? And according to them, since this resistance has been hit multiple times, they would have obviously written a call out there. And so when all these when the market starts moving against the direction, they will start exiting the position, and that will cause further rally. That is exactly what happened today, which is what I expected today, but it happened today, but it's okay. And the worst part, I was not able to catch it at the right point. So I'll tell you, I took the trade in the last candle, okay? So I knew I missed this rally. There's no way I can take the rally back. I mean, enter the rally again, or I may not see it again. So I know there'll surely be some retracement. We cannot keep going up and up and up. So there was a retracement. I was like, thank God, I have a place to take my position, and I took a long position for the next week, right? So, guys, not needless to say, this particular trend line, which has been rejected multiple times. How many times has it been rejected, and how important is this? One second. This is one, this is two, one, two, three, then four, five. Right, last two candles. One second, let me get the mouse. So pretty important trend line, right? The 6 month trend line. So that is decisively broken today. Yeah. So as I was saying, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and today we clearly broke out of that particular trend line, and this shows massive bullishness. And if you look at the volumes, it's that great. Yeah, volumes are also pretty decent. It's not like dumb volumes; it's pretty decent volumes. So the next thing, all time high, how far are we? We are at 18. Where are we now? 18,826. All time high is some 18,000 exactly. 18,886. Okay, so just 50% from all time high, right? So we almost reach all time high today, if you think about it. So if you think about it, we are actually just 0.3% away from all-time high. And never short stock when it hits its all-time high. There'll always be some momentum left to go with it, right? So that's amazing. Chart wise, so we are bullish. The weekly candle, which is what I told yesterday's show, based on which we take a trade. Clear bullish candle. I wouldn't say it's a bullish engulfing, but man, this is so green, broken important resistances. Okay, decent enough volumes. Chart though, we are very bullish. Don't worry about it. Now we look at open interest. Today is the first day, so not much action. But here also you can see a lot of people have started writing puts. Right? 80,700 looks like a very good resistance. PCR is 1.18. As in your put by call ratio. That is for every one call, I have 1.18 puts. Okay. That's pretty good. And if you look at the long build up, amazing. If you look at the futures thing, we look at last Friday. Okay. What was last Friday? Last Friday was 9th. Okay. From 9th till today. Clear increase in price, clear increase in volumes. Look at the last 3-4 days. Price has risen along with volumes. Beautiful indication of long build-up. That is, people are buying future OI. Like they are creating new longs, and that's very good. Okay. If you look at FIDI data, yes, the boys are back with the green greater than the red. Bullish, around 1L bullish. I mean, the green and the red should tell you, right? We are back with the ratio of 1:1, slightly greater than 1:1, with more calls. Bullish, crazy bullish. DI is also bought. I thought at least one person will be booking out the profits, but no, both of them kind of bought today. Guys, everything is green here. What do I even tell today? Green plus 18. When did we see plus 18K the last time? Oh, we saw 32K, 18K, and all we saw. Okay, 18, 321 we saw. And it was 18K immediately after, in 2-3 days, it raised like some 300 points. Amazing. So we are seeing 18K after almost a month. After almost a month, we are seeing around 18K plus index. Everything is positive. I don't see why there is any reason for us to short. The only time I'll be shorting if there is some clear trend reversal in the daily charts, some shooting star with decent volumes, or some evening star. That is when we'll start shorting. As of now, it's a market to stay long. So these are the positions that I took today. So 350, 450 is what I took before, right? So these are the positions that I took today. I was not able to get my 1% at the previous strike of 18,400. So I was getting it, I was not getting exactly 1%. If you look at my this thing, I want to be as safe because we never know. Really, what will happen? Huh? Tomorrow, let's say we hit all time high. Okay. I think we hit all time high. What is a double top forming? If you there is double top, there is a crazy stuff, right? Tata Motors. That is a famous example of double top. So if you look at the monthly chart, there was a period when it hit double top or something. Yeah, this what's this? Yeah, double top is basically this particular all-time high is there, right? I reach it once, I come down, I reach it again, and then I come crashing down like there is no tomorrow. This is called the double top DT, double top. A lot of people who like to believe in conspiracy theories like to say that a double top might be forming in Nifty. And I cannot say no to that name. Like, I mean, I'm not saying it's double top, but some part of me says, what is the double top? That's why I'm playing an extra safe. Obviously, I could have bought calls, right? I could have bought naked calls, but that's not who we are. We're disciplined traders, right? We should not be getting calls. We should not be buying calls and trying to double our money and all of that. As long as you are getting the 1% a week with a proper hedge, we should be more than happy. But because here, if you think about it, guys, nothing has really changed in the economy, okay? Like, because the banks are failing, the US Fed stopped increasing rates and all of that. Obviously, I'm no economics student, but as far as I understand, what fundamentally changed, right? Like, why did they suddenly stop the rate hike? And and this rally is not because inflation has come down significantly, all of that. Yes, inflation has come down, but think about it, guys. Milk that was there, compare the cost of milk, compare the cost of any normal thing that you're buying outside, compare the plane cost, flight cost, and all of that. You've clearly seen inflation has risen up. The CPI inflation and all has some 3, 4 data points, right? You can insert whatever you want inside the list. So all these official data figures, right? If you know how it works, it is like you have like five, six items. Based on their convenience, they will do one item, add an item, and say, okay, we are back to good inflation. Right? That's what everyone does in the world. That's nothing new. So this rally that we saw this time was because of the bank saying that we will stop increasing the interest rate, and stopping the increase of interest rate is almost as equal to saying ki we are pumping in more money. Right? We are not going to make it difficult. Like we are going to make money cheap. That is what is the meaning of either lowering the interest rates or stopping the rise of interest rates. That is the meaning of it. Right. So since nothing actually changed in the real world, this might be just a what is it, infusion rally, like capital infusion rally. It is because there's no other better place for money to be because they stop raising the interest rate. So it again flowed into the market. Okay, let us not do conspiracy theories. Let's just see what's happening in the market. Let's react to it. So I was showing my positions. So I'm actually getting less than 1.5 in this, but again, overall, as long as I'm getting 1% of the entire thing, I got back my capital to 1.4L. So in that 1.4L, if I'm getting my 1%, I'm going to be very happy about it. So that's it, guys. XGF, Nifty, is it showing anything else? Okay, we are almost, I mean, we have to see on Sunday night. But global markets, nothing big, almost flat with a bullish bias. Everything looks great. But my thing would be buy on dips. Okay, my strategy would be buy on dips. I'm not going to do the virtual trade thing because it's not able to capture the entries perfectly, right? So if you see any dip, like yesterday, we saw there was a nice dip which I bought into. I actually slept off during that time. Okay, otherwise I feel like I might have caught that rally. Like yesterday, I was awake, I didn't catch the rally. Today, when I was sleeping, the rally happened. So you saw this dip, right? This dip that happened today. Like I use that to, exit my, enter my positions. So use dips like this to enter the positions. Obviously, I'm not a subject analyst. All that I'm saying is for education purposes. So have a nice weekend. Next time when I'm doing this analysis, I'll see you guys in Bangalore. I have my intern there. So wish me luck. Thank you and have a nice weekend, guys. I'm not a subject analyst. So all these are education purposes. Take care.